Hello, everyone. Today, I am going to guide you through the simple and easy process of how to import character AI to Tavern AI. After watching all these steps carefully, you will be able to add your own character AI to Tavern AI. So without wasting any time, let's get right now into the video. First of all, what you want to do is open any web browser. Once the web browser is opened, go to the URL box and type in CAI tools and hit enter. Once the page is loaded, you need to click on first search result that pops up. After you click on it, you will reach this extension page. Download this extension by clicking on this button. Once the extension is installed, what you want to do is open a new tab and go to the URL box and type www.character.ai and hit enter. Once the page is loaded, make sure that you are logged into your account. If you are not logged into your account, then quickly log into your character AI account. After that, select any character that you want to import to Tavern AI. After clicking on the character, locate the CIA tools button and click on it. This will open up a small menu. From this menu, select the download character card option. Now go to Tavern AI and click on the API connection button and select any models that you would like to use. After that, what you want to do to import your character to Tavern AI is click on the character management option. This will open the list of characters. From here, click on the import character button and select the character card that you downloaded using CAI tools. And there you go. As you can see, your character is successfully imported and is ready to be used. Now you can chat with the character and it will respond to you according to its character. So this was how you can import character AI to Tavern AI. If you found this video informative, then hit the thumbs up and subscribe for future videos.